How to change tournament deck in Clash Royale. If you want to change your tournament deck in Clash Royale, let me show you how to do it quickly. Open your Clash Royale application. Now, you have to tap onto the tournament tab at the bottom of the screen. Then select the tournament you want to participate in from the list. Once you are in the tournament, you will see the option to choose or create a deck. To change your deck, you have to tap onto the deck and either select an existing deck or create a new one from the scratch by adding your desired card. To add a deck, you have to tap onto the horizontal lines at the top left corner. Then tap on Add Deck. Once you have selected or created your deck, you can confirm it and you are ready to participate in the new tournament with your updated deck. And that's it. Now you know how to change your tournament deck in Clash Royale.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.